Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Kit Kats in Japan are produced at Nestlé-owned factories in Himeji and Kasumigura. The milk chocolate used for Kit Kats is made from whole milk powder, and Nestlé buys most of its cacao beans from West Africa.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Infused with concentrated matcha, this Kit Kat is a darker green than other matcha flavor varieties you may have tried. Within the chocolate are ground green tea leaves to further the flavor and provide the health benefits of green tea, which is why this Kit Kat is called Matcha no Chikara, or the power of matcha.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Nestlé reports that 650 bars of Kit Kat are consumed every second globally. Kit Kat is the world's first chocolate bar made from 100% sustainable cocoa. Kit Kat has a case to be the healthiest candy bar in the market because it's mostly wafer and air.
Let's help you make your mark.
In Japanese, Kit Kat is kito kato. The Japanese word kito can mean surely or absolutely. The word katsu is to win. This makes a Japanese wordplay possible, kito, katsu, meaning you're bound to win or even never fail.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.